Changing the email link to your Cash App account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select email address. In Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Email or Email Address. Tap on it to proceed to the Email Update section. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify the change by checking your email for a confirmation link from Cash App. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your Cash App account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance.